Good morning with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with that.
Oh, Miss Baby careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Parry. Welcome once more to the Jamaican Debs train. Yeah, me and Uncle Murphy sit down here, so. Uncle Murphy had finished up breakfast, which was grata bread. I wouldn't leave. And corned beef and fever grass tea. So we are here once more in St. Mary. We never get for record that because we come here with hungry. And we couldn't get for go certain place because she did have that key there. So me eat mine already. So we're gonna give you a cooking video today. So welcome once more if you're new to the Jamaican Debs train. Remember to go back to the older videos, watch. Therefore, you will be in tune with what is happening or what is about to happen. We haven't given you a cooking video in a long time. So stay tuned, we're going to give you one today. I don't know if we regular video. We do the whole political gimmicks, hopefully. We're in the mood and everything. But look here, we are going to roll some food. So, in the next clip, you're going to see the preparation and start. Alright, Uncle Murph?
True.
Yeah,
you know?
Go back again.
Yes, man.
You talk about lagoon. Go back again.
Yeah, man, the lagoon. The heart of the lagoon.
So where that
and when you get that and put in a back and throw rum on it. And you put water. And make it stay there. It's like when they would use weed and put palm and stuff like that. And the lagoon tea, you drink some lagoon tea last week, you know. Yeah, man.
They say it's the latest on the market, you know, lagoon tea.
Yeah, lagoon
Barry,
tea.
me I go and prep, we cook some soup.
Yeah, man.
Lord have mercy.
Anyway, you're going to hear anything. And them, you meet your town, they must sell you all in a bottle.
They not sell me none.
You see it? And it's a can swing now. You see it?
Lord. Apparently, me there ask about the Dutch pot and the next soup pot. Me late, but I saw it will better to be late than never. But me I cook my soup today. I come with soup on my menu and in my belly, and me I cook my soup. So. Sugar looks so orange to wash some chicken. We cook some chicken foot soup, did I say that? So sugar looks so orange to wash the chicken foot soup for me. And me there I wash out the pot. Uncle Murphy I cut up the chicken foot them. So everybody at work. So me I wash out the pot them and when it's that time, me I come back to now. So alright, Parry, me having the pumpkin. A 4 pound of pumpkin in that. So a pumpkin mostly soup and I have some turnip. I love turnip in my plain soup. And I think I have one chocha. I never did really want a carrot, you know. So I eat that. I start off with the pumpkin. I set up a next fire right there. So sure I go set it up. Sure. Line it up. You don't talk to people in from man. Yellow up now, sure?
Yellow parry. That one
make them know you're good, man. Make them know you're good
parry.
here.
They want to the parry.
Yeah.
You know?
And make them know your house coming on.
Yeah,
It's coming on.
Yeah, coming on very good.
Alright. Good stuff. So alright, Parry. So the super bubble now. We try brown up the chicken foot, but some of them catch. Yeah, so that's why I see them look dark something here upon the top. But it's no problem. Not to worry, it never catch bad. So the fire is rampant in a Parry. A serious piece of wood there. What them wood name there? Jesus, I don't know. But Parry, me have to stay a while. We can't angle wood fire, but that one is more than me. I have to wait for a show to come tease it up here. So it's a piece right there, but I don't mind eating them. I will eat them. I chew the chicken foot catch. But it doesn't matter, it's okay. So, pot, yeah. I want a cup of tea pot there, Dad. Oh.
Keep this one.
So, well, on we with the pumpkin and chicken foot soup. Yeah. Uncle Murphy has start up the food them. So, me I go in there now. Me I go get the dumpling ready. And come. The fire red, Parry, red hot. Yeah, Parry, me sit down right there, so me I mix the look of flour like my mother. See, me used to sit down in our kitchen and mix it, and I see way me I do it, yeah? Me I make the look of flour, look of dumpling them, long dumpling them. Uncle Murphy over there, so show them Terrence. Uncle Murphy peel up the
some teely dumpling.
Yeah. Oh, teely dumpling! A long time them not get no Uncle Murphy mind what you doing, no mind what you say, you know? Uncle Murphy said to them, yeah, teely dumpling there. Lord have mercy, what can me get myself in now?
Soup it up.
Yeah, soup it up with teely dumpling. Yeah. Uncle Murphy, are you to do that thing on me and my thing that you know, Lord. Parry next clip. Uncle Murphy, what is? Me a walla.
Mr. Left left it, that snake, they might know who lift up his head.
Yeah, man.
Left it, left it.
One more thing
That
for the
is-
menu.
that is
Medina.
trouble.
Me a trouble, me a
You're
drink it
trouble.
today.
This snake, I must lift up here this time.
Me know.
That's all you know.
Me can't wait. Me can't wait.
It's alright.
A rock and snake or what? Or a rock and
A
what?
python.
Where am I snake in here?
Python.
The one that is python, man. Dangerous one.
You can't have
See,
one.
Jafari, this is the python, but me and it to them, me I go put on enough. This is not going to be boil the whole
No,
right
it can't
time
boil
dry.
rice.
No. After the soup, then we are drink soup, it a grow. Me I drink it.
You know what?
I was warned.
You know what?
Me I drink it.
You could have the part that carry them come out tight. You could have the part that carry them come out, leave the car alone.
If you buy the yes, the parking could.
Don't mess up.
Don't
And then you go.
I'm saying, as you come to have a drink.
Yeah.
Why not pay to the yes?
Yeah.
As you come.
I might be.
Have a drink.
I might be snake living there.
Hey.
Hell yeah!
Tell you.
Yeah. Yeah, living there.
I don't know. When you come there, look.
Oh, Murphy.
You see Cara vibrate.
Yeah.
You see Cara vibrate.
Them there.
Daily dumpling here, choose your size.
Big or little?
Comment, Paddy, comment
Yeah,
below
they
there.
must comment. Me I
Yes.
make them all kind of size. You see this
You
one?
see that? Look at teapot shot and sound.
No, sir. No, sir. Me don't know who for size this. But me I put in one of
You
these.
see one there? Langy la like that.
Cut the camera here. Put the camera.
Don't stop.
Lord Jesus help me. No God. I can't laugh.
Whoa.
No. Oh my God. Parry we are putting. This is sweet potato. We don't have no yam in here, cocoa and breadfruit. No say Uncle Murphy?
Right.
Yeah, so we're going to chop some natural seasoning now. Chop a reasonable amount and come put it in. Hey, I'm mill up at soup this in a minute. Long time when I drink this, yes I know. Yeah, eat the parry. So, see it and the pumpkin. Stay good too, you know, boy. Yeah. I make it cook now and take body, and we are come here. We are chop up the some natural herbs and something. And so I may show them this. Show me that try brown up the chicken foot. You see, looking at it part. Yeah. No man, I take it out in a burn. What do you man? I talk about this. See them man, they look a burn part. Them out. Take it out already. And I see my thing mellow. See them, me stir it up, make them see. The thing there, no brother. 3 pound a full foot in it, you know. Keep go and deal with the thing, man. Put in some. I like the cock soup in the Maggie something I want, but something about the cock soup in it where you always burn my stomach. But I hope say it not do it today. So that in there for a long time. I tease up the fire. Yeah, so Uncle Murphy I put in some herbs. Come let me help you, because then can manage it.
Smoke.
Yeah, you can manage it something there. Scrape it out with a spoon, Murph. 2 stir now when another one this stir and maybe another 1 or 2 stir when you're ready. A whole heap of soup, you know.
Whole heap of soup.
Yeah, man, everybody want the soup. I like the soup, man. Give me this, man. Give me this. I know you're keen in my trouble, me Medina bag for. Nah, boy, the whole of this after me no mad man.
You tell the plan to go hospital.
But this is what I send you past hospital. I whole heap this dry come down to this, you know. Hospital? Hospital couldn't hold me.
I tell you.
You thinking
No,
nice?
so what I want to get to myself. What should I plan? Suicide.
I plan another. I drinking a little Medina and then we go bed to 1.
Oh, God.
Uncle Murphy, I make a sound. Can I sound them, Murphy? Me know a brain that, you know. A meow.
A meow.
Lord God.
I kept man sound them there.
And the cap, yeah.
The kneecap man sound.
No, man, the kneecap man brave, brother. You want to see you? So, okay, Paris. So, this is the Medina, you see? Yeah, I know somehow don't know about it. This is a fine leaf one, you see it? Yeah. And it has been properly dried. Should look fit and dried to me, yeah. So, this is just a small amount, you see? This is live blanket. And this is a small amount. Dosage just enough for me and Dad, you see? So, I'm going to rinse it off and make it get a little water, make it stir and then boil. Right. The time is getting cold, so we need to warm up our blood. Is it? Okay. Listen, don't take it on yourself. Ask your doctor first, yeah? Paris, we soup here, you know. So I like my soup, you know, soup more than food, you know. I don't like when I start my soup at, you know, I see beer food and a soup, no. You know, when I say a soup, I cook and a food, I say, you know, I cook food, see? Yes, sir. You see it? The right soup consistency, a plain soup, you know. You know, want nothing thick. You know, see where it come from? So you know, you see where it come from there? You see it? Yeah. You see the impression? So you know, say it well mellowed down now. Yeah, man. Show them the fire underneath it. Just stay there, keep warm. Next clip, we are going to share. So you see, Paris, soup finish and Medina on. You see? Yeah, so we're leaving it to boil. Next clip. Alright, Paris, this is the cake, you know. Me stir him up till the dumpling of all size and length there.
And shape.
And sitting at Uncle Murphy, him left me in the tilly dumpling story. You see them? You see them? The back.
You see how they smell?
Yeah, yeah. You see how them look nice? Me make sure me come through, me know how them supposed to stay. Make sure me do them good, you know, so you can mix up. At you, Lord have mercy. Soup stay good. Oh, Jesus, me I take out some for curiosity. So, we just a share for me that Uncle Murphy cup just want a little cup of the soup. She happened to be here today. She just happened to be passing by. She just want a little bit. So, she said, Miss Debbie, do not dish none for me, let mine in a the pot. A whole night me I drink soup. So, me not take too much of the tilly dumpling them, yeah? Me not craving. So, and the soup we want, you see? We don't want a whole lot of food. Look at this soup. Look at this. Look at the richness, Parry. This was the soup I anticipate. This is a soup I did plan say me want come up here. You know what the soup should be, Uncle Murphy? Goated soup.
Oh, yeah.
I should have some goated and foot and belly we have in there. Right. Dad, show them the soup.
Next time, man.
Show them the soup.
Next time for that.
Yeah, man. That time a different time. Goated soup with pumpkin in it. I want no food and yam in it. Alright, so King Dad. I think me I go drink one little bowl for cup. And she have one stushy. You know what I mean, Murphy? Because stush up. Yeah, that me I say. Me say the soup smell like any goated soup. Me say the soup rich. Yo, Barry, you know see what I want? It smell just like goated soup. Wow, jeez, me not tell a lie. My father did love soup, you know. Me know say daddy, he not this, you know. Dad, you put some more fowl foot for cob. Me say the thing when you open the thing, it smell like any goated soup. Eh. Boy, I remember them days that the cup it near come up. Ooh. Okay, go on. Thing they out. Yeah, man. Daddy pass on years. Yeah. So, Dad, I have to make Uncle Murphy one charm, you know. So, are you this, you know?
Just more soup, no, no food.
Yeah, me know, you have enough.
No, I'm more dumpling.
Yeah, me know you have enough. If no one no more, I feel it up. Me know, Pops. Soup you want?
Yeah.
Soup, yeah. No, the tilly dumpling is not for the men. You see? No, it's not.
You hear that?
Yeah, not for you.
Not for me.
Yeah, so. Wow. I have to mix up the soup in a boy. You see the soup? Papa Jesus, any gas bag in your bus.
Right.
For them, Dad. Them a close up on you, Dad. We carry them a sit in front of town, you see. We a use them a yard and we borrow them. We borrow them come here. So, Uncle Murphy, this is a party. Papa Jesus.
Show them the cake.
Yeah. And the cake. And he done asleep, you know. Uncle Murphy done. You better go for your rocking chair for the veranda. Because me know say asleep, you go sleep. Me feel like I want to taste 2 pieces of them cocoa here today, you know. You see? Soup must have there yet. They must have soup well if I pot butter. No, sir. But hey, we can't just drink one time. Look like we are going to get second and third serving. Uncle Murphy?
Yes, man.
Them a look, you know?
Hey, the man can.
Yes, man, them a look. Me know you this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Uncle Murphy, this dad should ever for Uncle Murphy. Yes, sir. This is super for the rest of the year, this month.
Are the soup of the year?
Yeah. Uncle Murphy, that's on me on the shot. So, me I got one good to you know, but with soup. Yeah.
Soup of the year.
Yes, sir. Papa Jesus. Something tan so tan good. Me walk up like fall foot here, you know, because me like the fall foot, you know. I'm not doing nothing, the whole party. You don't know him there about the things. You don't know him stay already. Him not hearing nothing, you know, him just you think you can stop him? You have breadfruit that drop down and go there, you must think you can stop him. No, me know him down there. You see, and me think me have too much food in this same thing. You soup no want to. See the party? Show them when I pat there. See there? I show one that. All night tonight, all out of penny macchiato. Soup rich though, gentle people. Harry, we are going to feed with face. Show them that this is mine. This is Jadad. Uncle Murphy is the king of soup. And this called brown here, so. And this, we are carrying this to acity. You see? So, Dad, I forgot drink. When Dad reach home, Dad just want a little bit. When he reach home and have a bath and get covered. Remember the bed in next clip. Harry, so food is over. I feel chill. I'm not really cold. Uncle Murphy and Dad are sweat. But me feel chill. I never normally sweat at St. Mary, but I hope you, when you do get to watch this vlog, I know Thanksgiving will be long gone, but I hope you did have a beautiful Thanksgiving with you and your family. Today in Jamaica, we really don't celebrate Thanksgiving. But because today is Thanksgiving Day in America, and you know you talk to people and you and them rap and stuff, I came here and I made some soup, and this is my Thanksgiving for today. I just want to thank the Lord Jesus. Thank him first of all. Thank him for mercies great, for mercies small. I am so humbled. So I just want to say thanks. I mean, I just sit down like sleeping, never went so nice like last night. Went to bed early, woke up something to 10. Started watching television and then went back to bed like 3:30 I'm lying. 3 this morning, woke up 4:30. I'm gonna shut my eye back again, so I'm gonna just die and chill. When I get up Friday, so I'm gonna go look for my Medina, but this Medina tea look like it a reach a city with me, you know. So we have a little thing them over this and I'm gonna do 2 more little more jump round, so. But I'm so grateful. I am so thankful for everything, and everything is being done on my ends in God's timing. All in God's timing. In Pari, next clip. Okay, Pari, so this is the Medina. We're taking it into the soup. Medina tea, so we put it in our water bottle. You see it? How much shot did we can't drink no fun? You know that, we might reach out how it cool out and we just drink it liquor. Yeah. A little Medina is good now and then, right, Dad? Yeah, so Uncle Murphy down at the bottom, this I'll show you something. We are about to leave St. Mary for today. So we thank you for staying with us. Hope that you will like, share, and then you'll continue to subscribe. Leave us a comment below and just continue with us on this St. Mary journey. Lots and lots to come. A whole lot more than what you have seen before. And remember, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things.